you are fine? This is my first video on learning Python. We have entered the big data era. In this information era, investors are exposed to a sea of information. I think finance and investment students should learn at least one programming language, and Python is one of the best choices. There is a huge amount of data in the financial market. We need a tool to process and analyze the resources of data efficiently. Stay tuned and let's learn together. This video provides students with a brief introduction about Python. We will explore what is Python, why Python. At the end of this learning session, students will also understand the advantages as well as the limitations of Python. Lastly, I will give you some guidance on how to install Python. What is Python? Let's define Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that can be used to build almost any kind of program. Hill describes Python as a powerful, high-level programming language because of its expressive syntax, which is close to natural language in some cases, and rich variety of native data structures. Python is the marvelous creation of Guido van Rossum, a Dutch computer scientist and mathematician in 1989. The language appeared in the public somewhere around 1990. Since its introduction, Python has undergone many changes. For the first decade of its life, Python was a little known and little used language. However, a significant change occurred with the arrival of Python 2.0 in year 2000. Python 2.0 has incorporated a number of important improvements to the language. This milestone marked a shift in the evolutionary path of the language. A large number of people began developing libraries that interface seamlessly with Python. In year 2008, Python 3.0 was released. This version of Python cleaned up many of the inconsistencies in the design of Python 2. Today, Python has evolved to be one of the leading programming languages used worldwide. Who is using Python today? Let's take a look at the companies that are using Python currently. Do you like to play games? Even games are implemented using Python. Here are some of the examples. Python is used in many different contexts and programming. For example, big data applications, data science, graphical user interface design, web development, rapid prototyping, system integration, robotics, and gaming. Many universities have also adopted Python as their main language in computer science courses. Why should we learn how to use Python? Python has several advantages. It has grown and evolved over the years, and it now spans an enormous ecosystem. Next, I'm going to explain the 5 key advantages of using Python. Lesson number 1. Python has a human-friendly and concise syntax, which makes writing elegant code easy. Python emphasizes code readability that enable users to write applications using fewer lines of code. The syntax and idioms used for basic operations are applied consistently in more advanced usage of the language. Python is a high-quality software that is easy to maintain and extend. Second, Python has a large library of models and packages that interface with Python and extend its functionality. For example, the NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, stat models, and pandas. Each model is developed for a special purpose. These models can be downloaded separately at no cost. Third, Python is free in terms of license and open source. Its associated libraries are also free of cost. Being free has many benefits. When students graduate, they could apply what they have learned wherever they go. This is true for the investment community as well. Fourth, Python provides cross-platform support. Python is available for all major operating systems, including Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac operating system, and Amiga. Although platform-specific extensions exist, it is possible to write code that will run on any platform without modification. Lastly, Python is relatively easy to learn, flexible, and powerful. Python is designed to be interpreted. It can provide the runtime feedback that is especially helpful to novice programmers. It is capable of solving most financial and economic estimations. According to Romano, the only drawback that one could find in Python is its execution speed. Typically, Python is slower than other fully compiled languages. Another common limitation about Python is its rapid development has led to compatibility issues between versions. However, if you use the latest version of Python, you probably won't run into such a problem. To install Python, you may go to the following link. The official website of Python is www.python.org, and it contains full and easy to follow instructions for downloading Python. Finally, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video is beneficial for learners. If you like this video, please click like, share, or subscribe. Thank you.